I'm Matt Robinson, and this is Middle Quarters St. Elizabeth, the home of Jamaican pepper shrimp. Pepper shrimp, also known as swims or swimmers, packs a bunch of heat and hits you with the flavor of the Scotch bonnet pepper. Pepper shrimp is a Jamaican fast food, cooked down with natural seasonings and a whole heap of Scotch bonnet pepper. We'll be linking up with Omar from Almond Tree, located on the street on the way to St. Elizabeth in Middle Quarters. You'll find the best pepper shrimp along with a host of foods cooked in the open for you to grab a seat or pull up in your ride and enjoy. You also have to try the crayfish soup, one of my favorite soups, cooked using freshly caught crayfish, corn and yam grown right next door. The soup is a must-have even on the hottest of Jamaican days. St. Elizabeth is known for its farming, and right next to the soup stand is Dock Stand, locally grown produce which is literally farm to table.
Father produces, man.
They say your father produces.
Yes, my father God produces.
Everything right or something.
Yes, man, everything. Good, man.
For more information on how to experience this and other Jamaican adventures, log on to www.jafoodtours.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.